Goeiedag, het is Fries Gerieder hier. Welcome back on this kind of nippy early winter day. So, what's on today's menu? I don't know if you can see it, but this little exhaust stud is a little bit rusted. I can't seem to get it out. So, for those that are familiar with my troubles with my K-bike as of late, I've been having a little bit of gearbox issues, and in order to get the gearbox out I needed to remove the exhaust. So I replaced the studs while I was at it and was able to do it with 5 of 6, but this particular stud just won't come out. I've tried heat already, but Matt Hudson of the workshop recommended I heat it to like an orangey white color, and I never went past red. So let me just get the tools, and let's see if I can remove this little stud. I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got my burner and I've got my vice grips. So let's see if we can get this stud to loosen. I'm not entirely sure if my burner is able to keep up. Okay, we've got an orange color going on now. So now we wait for it to cool down, and then we will continue. Alright, so we're back now. All the stuff is cooled down completely. I've got my mole grips, or vice grips, or whatever you want to call them. I've got a little hammer to do a little rubber mallet to do a little tappy tap tap if need be. Let's see if we can loosen this thing without shoving the camera, if at all possible. Okay, no, that's far too soft. I need a proper that's it's still a little bit too closed. It's a little bit hard to see, I believe, for you guys. Okay, it's perfect. doesn't come loose whatsoever. It's the same old story. I mean, the threads have completely collapsed now, so. It's not like those are still salvageable. Come on! Yeah. There's just no movement. It just keeps on slipping. Or does it? Does it? Have I got movement? I do believe I have. I might have. I do believe I don't. All I did was bend it. Ow! Of course. So, if you don't know what happened there, if you didn't see, the stud broke off. Of course it broke off. Because why would it ever be easy, this kind of job? So, here it is. Fucking great. Okay, well, I mean, still got a little bit of a grip going on, possibly. Not sure if I saw any movement there. Nah, no movement. Okay. Okay. So the situation is worsened now that the stud is broken off. I mean, well, there's still a little bit of grip going on. Oh. But, I mean, there's no movement in the stud whatsoever. Come on. Or is there? Oh, wait a minute. Oopsie. Sorry about that. I do believe I did see some movement. Nah, there's no movement. No movement whatsoever. Fuck. Why can't these jobs ever be easy? I think you've fallen out of frame now. Alright, let's see. Yeah, well, you can see you can still see a little bit. Okay. Let's go. Let's keep on trying. I mean, it's not like I've got anything better to do anyway. It's just impossible. Can't get this stud out without having to drill it properly. Probably. Let me check the monitor. Ah, motherfucker. Nah, there's just no movement. No movement whatsoever. Even after glowing. Okay. So let me think about what my next step is going to be. Yes. I mean, nah, even the more grips have no grips anymore. They have no grip anymore. Okay, I'm giving up. There's probably no way I am going to get this stud out. Very likely it has to be drilled out and then either put a helicoil in the block, in the engine, or retap, or not sure. I'm not going to succeed, that's for sure, because I broke off the part that I could grip with my with my vice grips. Mole grips, vice grips, whatever. So mission failed, sadly. Thankfully, the other 5 were the other 5 are assembled. It's not like my exhaust is leaking. I know it's not the most beautiful way of doing it, but I can't get it out. It's just impossible. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.